Hi there, students. I had a question from Slow Sunset about the word aback. Aback. Well, aback is actually an adverb. It's an adverb of position or an adverb of direction. Let's see. Aback, the real meaning is near the back of, or backwards, towards the back of something. However, that's very unusual nowadays, and I think you'll only actually find aback in the phrasal verb to take aback, and that's nearly always positive. Is nearly always passive. I was taken aback by his attitude, shocked and surprised. Yeah, I was taken aback by what he said. I found it most insulting. He was a bit taken aback when I said I wasn't going to help him. Okay, so to take somebody aback, normally to be taken aback, to be shocked and surprised. I was very, very taken aback by his honesty and frankness about the situation. I didn't normally expect it. So let's look at aback as an adverb as opposed to a particle in a phrasal verb. Let's see. Behind, towards the back of. There is a little road aback the woods. Okay, it is behind the woods, aback of the woods. Yeah, towards the back of something. In the rear of, a distance behind, but this is very rare and very old-fashioned. Aback of the sofa, I found all sorts of things that I thought I had lost forever. Okay, so this aback, behind, moving backwards. You need to move aback. Nowadays I would say backwards. Okay, so aback, an adverb of position or direction, and nearly always today I had great difficulty finding any examples that didn't show being taken aback. So I was most taken aback by his meanness. Yeah, I felt very aback about the situation. You could probably use it like that, but that's pretty unusual as well. So I think that's probably it. If you are taken, so formality to take aback, I would probably give it 4 informality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, use it in an informal conversation, but I wouldn't use it for anything more than a semi-formal conversation. And then this use of behind, aback the house there is a large garden. Very old-fashioned, quite unusual. I'd probably give that 8.5 informality. Maybe you could use it in something literary, but not much else. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I won't be taken aback if you don't. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Aback. Taken aback.